Hello. Adding a new subject to your Homeschool Planet account is a very straightforward process, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. One of the things I want to mention first, however, is that we highly recommend you keep your subject names very simple and then provide information beyond that in the class name. So an example of that would be, I have a subject category of math, but Math Mammoth Grade 4 Plus is the name of the class, so I know exactly what I'm doing in the class, but my subjects, when I come to print report cards or transcripts, stay more basic. Our general rule of thumb around here is that what is the name that would be on a transcript for the category, and you want them to match up. So let me show you how to do this and I'll explain further. You're going to go into settings and choose subjects and categories. There you will see a list of the subjects you already have. So in this account, I have art, electives, English, foreign language, history, math, religion, and science. I don't have U.S. history because that's the name of the class, or Latin, or French, because those are the names of individual classes. But back to the main point of this. To add a new subject, you click the Add a New Subject button. A box will appear at the bottom. You'll type in the subject name. I'm going to call this Testy Test because I know that's a subject you'll all use. Then you can select a color by clicking here and choosing what color you would like. So I'm going to pick this lovely green. And then you're going to mark whether a class is core or not. Some of you have probably been looking for the feature, how do I designate whether a class is core or not, because you live in states where they require separate reporting for core and non-core classes. Others of you, like myself, live in a state where there is no such requirement and you've never thought about it. So you can choose whether to mark all of them yes, all of them no, or to do them for the guidelines where you live. Once you've added any subjects, you can add as many as you like just by clicking the add button. I'm going to get rid of all of these. I'm actually even going to get rid of the Testy Test since that's not real. When you're done adding, you'll hit save and your new subject will be entered. And then when you go to add a class, you'll see that you can select from the subject area. And if you've forgotten to create one ahead of time, or even if you just prefer doing them here, when you click the Add a Subject button, it will pop up here. So there are multiple ways to get there. I'm going to cancel out of that. I hope that helps. Have a great day, and let us know if there's anything we can help you with by reaching out to us at support@homeschoolplanet.com. Thanks for being a subscriber.